Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find filters for your Instagram stories or Instagram Reels. If you want to use filter for your Instagram story or Reels, and you can't find good one, I will show you how you can find it, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First step you need to do, is to check is your Instagram app updated. If is not, go on Play Store or App Store and update, because you have all new filters from Instagram. When you do that, open your Instagram app on your device. Then swipe to the left, to open your Instagram story camera. So now you can see in bottom of the screen you have a lot of Instagram filters. Some filters is trending, and some is filters you used before, so we need to swipe to right to go on the end of filters, and when you do it, tap on this button where is magnifying glass. So now you can see many with all Instagram filters. You can see trending filters, appearance filters, aesthetic filter and more of filter. And when you find filter you want to use, just simple tap on that filter and Instagram will show you how that filter look. And if you want you can save that filter, just tap on this save button, and that is it. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.